Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make hot chocolate on the Haitian way, traditional way. So let's get started. We're gonna need the chocolate concentrate from Haiti, the best one, the organic one, and you make it soft on the water. You add a tablespoon of Himalayan salt. I just like the Himalayan salt, and we're gonna add ginger powder, cinnamon powder. For that one I use cinnamon powder because I didn't have the cinnamon stick, and also I like to add some ginger powder on it. My grandma used to add the ginger roots, but I don't have it, so let's do it with that one. So also I add the star anise just to give it more flavor. I like the flavor of star anise. It smells really good. And also leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Less than that. I didn't want to put the oven on really high degree, so I just leave it on 5, I think. And after 10 minutes it's ready. It's boiling, as you can see. So now it's ready to add the concentrate milk. Make sure you have the concentrate milk. And I used carnation, but it's just me. I just like the carnation, but you can use every other one until it's concentrate milk. You're gonna have to add essence, vanilla essence, or extract vanilla if you want. Both of them work. You just need the vanilla flavor also. And the last part, you're gonna need to add some sugar. If you really like chocolate sweet, you can add chocolate. You can add a lot of sugar on it, but I don't really like it sweet. I just use the quantity I want, like I feel comfortable. So now you have to shake it, turn it, and it's gonna be ready for your table. So after that, you just leave it for about 3 to 4 minutes, and it's ready to drink. Don't worry, it's gonna be hard, but you're gonna like it because it got the ginger powder flavor, the anise star flavor. And usually I use the nutmeg powder, but I didn't have the nutmeg, so I just do it like that. It's also good. It's depending on you. So I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching and subscribe. See you next.